In this section, I'm going to show you how to install your ridge and hip caps. Installing these pieces of trim is relatively easy. There's just a few things I want you to keep in mind. Before I get started installing the ridge cap, what I like to do is put this little bend on the end. This is just a nice little touch. It's going to help to hide the gap that's created at the end of the ridge on the gable end after you install it. Making this bend is really easy. All you need to do is measure 2 inches from the end of the ridge cap, mark it all the way across.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit subscribe so you can be a part of my channel. You can watch all my videos that cover complete stages of both shingle and metal roofing. There's tons more content coming out soon about all aspects of roofing, including skylights and trim and sheds and whatever you're interested in.
Cut off this little section down here where it's bent. Make a slit at the top of the ridge cap where the top bend is, and then bend the 2 sections down. When you go to install your ridge cap, you're going to want to make sure you're all straight. Push it firmly in place, and then just like the transition flashings, for example, we're going to put 1 screw in every rib. Now, it's better if you use a screw that's going to be long enough to go through both pieces of metal and then down into the wood strip that we've installed below it. So in this case, using a 2 or 2.5 inch screw is going to ensure that we get down and get good purchase into that wood strip below. Now that we've got our first piece of ridge cap on, we're going to start laying the rest of our ridge to finish off the roof. It's important to get all the ridge caps straight, and it can be kind of difficult if you're the only person on the roof sitting there screwing the ridge cap down. Sometimes it tends to want to slide off to one side or the other. So at this point, it's really good to have someone helping you try to line the ridge cap up. They can nudge it a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right. Make sure that this center crease is lined up in a straight line all the way across the ridge. Once you got it lined up where you like it, go ahead and start putting the screws in. Now, like I said, put 1 screw in each rib. Where the pieces overlap, you've got a couple considerations. Number 1, you want to make sure that the second piece overlaps the first piece at least 6 inches. You could have it overlap up to 1 foot, it doesn't matter. If the roof is really low pitched and the ridge cap is really flat like this, I encourage you to put some butyl tape or sealant between the 2 pieces before you screw them down, because water sometimes wants to tend to get up under that piece of ridge cap and leak down into your attic. The other consideration when you're joining 2 pieces of ridge is you want the second piece to come over the first ridge enough so that it's over top of at least 1 set of ribs on both sides.
And those are the basics of installing ridge caps on your metal roof. If you'd like the complete series for yourself on how to do shingle or metal roofing, you can go to my website, RoofingIntelligence.com, and there you can get a membership to either stream or you can get a DVD in the mail that'll show you how to do all the steps for either of those types of roofing. Enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching.